A modular photovoltaic simulator, KTE 7000 ASG, is a simplified system that helps understand the photovoltaic mechanism and enables its actual operation. The equipment provides an integrated photovoltaic system training with practice with equipment for actual operations such as stand-alone inverter system, grid-connected inverter system, and sequence control practice. The modular photovoltaic simulator, which has its photovoltaic system able to measure the voltage and current in the different lines, allows actual cabling practice using the monitoring control, which enables monitoring practice, actual cabling practice with the banana jack, and the modular photovoltaic system, which ensures the acquisition of basic data such as a voltage and current in the system operation. The modular photovoltaic simulator, which constitutes a virtual photovoltaic module, is composed of the 4 photovoltaic cells which convert solar energy to electricity. The photovoltaic modules connected in serial or parallel array enable it to measure their voltage and current. The system is composed of the connection board, which receives electricity generated at the photovoltaic module, the charging controller module, which converts the unstable voltage of the electricity generated at the solar power generators into the stable voltage and protects the battery from overcharging and overdischarge. The battery module, which stores the produced electricity in DC voltage. The stand-alone inverter module, which receives the DC voltage from the rechargeable battery, converts it into alternate current, and supplies to the loads. The grid-connected inverter module, which works with the commercial power systems to supply power to loads and supplies the remaining power to the system. And the automatic transfer switch module, which keeps a double and triple power supply and ensures steady power supply to consumers by automatically switching to the reserve power supply when the main power supply is out and the voltage drops below the preset level. To ensure the sequence control with the banana jack, the system is composed of MC manipulation module, relay manipulating module, switch manipulating module, and SMPS module. It includes the DC circuit breaker module, which ensures the safety of the DC voltage generated in the virtual photovoltaic simulation module before it moves to the inverter, the watt-hour meter module used for the main power and the KEPCO grid, and AC and DC loads prepared for load testing for the generated electricity using the 3 LED light bulbs each in AC 220 volts and DC 12 volts. As a modular photovoltaic simulator, KTE 7000 ASG comes with banana jack cable, user guide, and user training program.